Queen of the Bodge strikes again. The curtain pole broke, so I'm putting a new one up. I've only put one end up. Got to take these ends off. And rather than get the workbench out, which doesn't, it's rubbish anyway. This is my new setup. To sew this to the right length. What I have done, Sean, is measured it twice. So if it's wrong, it won't be wrong. Well, that went well. It was a bit hard because it's wobbling about. I did it. The only thing is this is a bit bent. But it's just gonna, maybe I'll put it on and then try and bend it straight. Well, it seemed to work. I put it in, but the wood looks like it's breaking, so I just give it a little nudge. I think it's straight enough to go up. I might put a bit of tape on it. Just waiting for the girly wonder tool to finish charging. Now, I've just finished that with the 3 screws. Proud of myself. Dead awkward angle. Couldn't get my weight behind it, so I used the hammer to hit the screw first. But this ladder, very lightweight and wobbly. And when we first moved in, I got Leon up there to screw the other brackets in, and he ended up going flying, cutting himself. There was blood on the wall. So I'm very aware of this wobbly ladder, and he can't really lean. So now I'm going to attempt the middle one. Somewhere in this flat, something I've kept for years is a bracelet that you wear with a magnet on it so that you don't lose your screws. I've just remembered about it, but I don't know where it is. So I'm going to use this magnet and put it up there on that ledge so I don't lose my screws, and maybe put a couple of extras on. Yes, that's always a good idea in case you do drop one. You don't have to come down the ladder. So I've got that one off, and I'm going to put this one on. Done that one. I think I need a different end because it's slipping, and it's hard to get your weight behind it on this scary ladder. So I'm going to have to shift this cat station so I can get the right angle on that one, because normally in my bodgy way I lean over things and it's very dangerous. So for health and safety, take it from me, move your stuff out the way so you can get the best angle on it. Well, not keeping to my own word, this is too much to move and I've nowhere to put it. So I'm going to try. I'm almost under it. It's gone right-handed. I should be fine. And if I lean that way, I won't fall because there's something there to catch me with all that crap there. Now to put these on. I don't really understand how they work. I think just a screw goes in there. I'm going to give it a go anyway. So now I've got a problem. And the Bodge, Queen of the Bodge, is going to find a way to bodge it and fix it. So this, they don't go flat into the wall. But I mean, if they did, then they'd go through the holes. So I don't really know. I don't really understand. Because when I put it on and put that screw on, it just fell off because it's not going. It's not getting it in the right place there, I don't think. Oh, I'll have to ask a friend. So I had to stop and ring a friend, a professional, because that wasn't staying on with the screw that was made for it, and I thought I'd done it wrong. But he said I'm right, just use a different screw, and I've used a different screw and it bloody works. So I can't get them all the way in, but nobody will notice. Obviously that's going to be screwed in once the pole's in. So success. Thank you, Sean. The pole's a bit wonky, but I got it in. So I've just got to put the knobs on the end. And let me freshly washed curtains dry, and then they go up. Buzzing. So when the knobs are on, because I've got to pull that away from the wall, obviously this side's a bit longer, but that's fine. Because it's only a little bit longer. I think I measured it quite perfectly. Probably the first thing I've ever measured well. Thanks to Sean telling me to measure everything twice. And It is finished. Oh, I'm so happy. I've had it ages. There's a bit of tape on it up there. You can't tell just where I put the two pieces together because it's a bit dodgy. But you would not know. Them curtains are 3 years old and that curtain pole is 12 years old. It was well worth keeping hold of. I'm very happy.